हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज हम लोग देखते हैं BCW का टेस्ट, फुल लेंथ टेस्ट 1 को, क्योंकि अब हमारे एग्ज़ाम में मात्र 20 दिन बचे हुए हैं। तो उसी को ध्यान में रखते हुए हमारे स्टूडेंट के लिए ये टेस्ट सीरीज है। तो आइए देखते हैं। क्वेश्चन 1 में बोला गया है कि राइट टू एक्सेस ऑफ कोर्ट प्रोसीडिंग किस आर्टिकल के तहत आता है। तो इसका आंसर होगा आर्टिकल 21। फिर हम देखते हैं, अभी जो नाट्य शास्त्र को यूनेस्को मेमोरी ऑफ वर्ल्ड रजिस्टर में रजिस्टर्ड किया गया, तो गीता और नाट्य शास्त्र जो है वो किसका राइटिंग है, कौन इस नाट्य शास्त्र का राइटर है। तो इसका आंसर होगा भरत मुनि। फिर देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 को। जैसा कि आपको पता होगा, पहलगाम अटैक जो हुआ उसके बाद इंडिया ऑपरेशन सिंदूर को लॉन्च करता है। उसी के रिटेलिएशन में पाकिस्तान ऑपरेशन बुनियान अल मरसूस को लॉन्च करता है। उसके बाद क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है, परम्यूटाइड प्रोसेस किसे बोला जाता है, वो किस चीज़ के लिए वाटर ट्रीटमेंट में यूज होता है। तो परम्यूटाइड प्रोसेस का सिंपल जो है वो है हार्ड वाटर को सॉफ्ट करने के लिए इसका यूज किया जाता है। उसके बाद फिर है चेयरमैन ऑफ एस्टीमेट कमेटी किसको अपॉइंट किया जाता है। तो वह संजय जायसवाल। फिर इसमें पूछा गया है कि करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट क्या है। चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर को रीअपॉइंट किया जा सकता है, कैन नॉट बी रीअपॉइंटेड, मतलब चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर को रीअपॉइंटमेंट नहीं हो सकता। अब एक सर्च कमेटी हेडेड बाय यूनियन कैबिनेट सेक्रेटरी टू सेलेक्ट श्री ज्ञानेश कुमार या फिर अनूप परनवाल केस इज रिलेटेड टू द अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ CEC एंड अदर EC। तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा 1 and 3 ओनली। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्लेज द मोस्ट डोमिनेंट रोल इन फ्रूट प्रोडक्शन इन प्लांट। फ्रूट प्रोडक्शन जो प्लांट में होता है उसमें कौन सा किसका डोमिनेंट रोल होता है। तो इसमें होगा पोटासियम। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ फंडामेंटल फिजिकल क्वांटिटी। तो फंडामेंटल फिजिकल क्वांटिटी बेसिकली अगर देखा जाए तो 7 होता है, जिसमें से एक इलेक्ट्रिक करंट भी है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 को देखते हैं, फॉर अ बॉडी इन यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज करेक्ट। Magnitude of velocity keeps on changing, acceleration of the body is constant, force acting on the body is constant, none of these। तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा none of these। फिर है क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, अकॉर्डिंग टू न्यूटन सेकेंड लॉ ऑफ मोशन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज इनकरेक्ट। तो इसमें इनकरेक्ट होगा rate of change of linear momentum is inversely proportional to the force acting on the body। फिर हम देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 को, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज इनकरेक्ट रिगार्डिंग टाइम पीरियड ऑफ सिंपल पेंडुलम। तो इसका आंसर होगा इफ द मास ऑफ द सिंपल पेंडुलम इंक्रीजेज द टाइम पीरियड डिक्रीजेज, टाइम पीरियड इंक्रीजेज। ये होगा इसका इनकरेक्ट होगा चारों स्टेटमेंट में। फिर है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज करेक्ट डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला ऑफ प्रेशर। तो इसका करेक्ट होगा ML1T2। क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, उसमें पूछ रहा है एक बॉक्स को हॉरिजेंटली अगर मूव किया जाता है तो बॉक्स में जो फोर्स लगता है फ्रिक्शन का वो कौन सा फ्रिक्शन होता है, तो इसका आंसर होगा स्टैटिक फ्रिक्शन। अब इसमें बोला गया है कि टू masses m1 and m2 are placed in distance d from each other. In this case, the force of gravitation acting between them is F. If both the masses are doubled and the distance is halved, then what will be the gravitational force between them? तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा 8F। 3 resistor R1, R2 and R3 are connected in series in electric current. The current following in the circuit is 1. Suddenly one of the resistor becomes faulty and stop working. The current in the circuit will becomes 0. What is the SI unit of inductance? Henry. An object is placed in front of concave mirror. The image formed by the mirror is real, inverted and diminished. What can be said about the position of the object? The object is placed beyond the center of curvature. Which gas turns lime water milky? Carbon dioxide. Which one of the following statement best describe the reason behind storage of sodium in the kerosene oil? Sodium is highly reactive metal. Which of the following is a base? NOS, sodium hydroxide. Which metal is most reactive among the following? Answer is sodium. Which gas is released during the reaction of acid with metal? Answer is hydrogen. Compound used to make plaster of Paris. CaSO4 2H2O. pH value of distilled water is approximately 7. Buckminster fullerene is a form of carbon compound of cluster 60 carbon atom bound together in polyhedral structure composed of pentagons or hexagon. Which non-metal is a good conductor of electricity? Graphite. Which one of the following is a noble gas? Helium. Which of the following joint connect the human neck to head? Pivotal joint. Which among the following hormone can also stimulate the heartbeat? Thyroxine. Phenomena in which female gametes in certain organisms such as rotifers, bees, some lizards and birds are said to create new organisms without fertilization is called parthenogenesis. Which of the following is not a hormone secreted by the islets of Langerhans? Answer is glucocorticoids. Xerophthalmia is caused by deficiency of vitamin A. Antibiotics are useful for which type of infection? Only bacteria. What is the cause of Cushing disease? elevated levels of a hormone in an ecosystem. The 10% law of energy transfer means that only 10% of energy at one trophic level is available to the next level. Which part of Indian Constitution deal with fundamental right? Part 3rd. The Supreme Court of India to review law and executive action is derived from which of the following? Article 137. Which of the following writs is issued to prevent a person from holding a public office to which they are not entitled? Quo warranto. The directive principle of a state policy are borrowed from the constitution of which country? Ireland. Under which article is the Election Commission of India constituted? Article 324. Which of the following is not a feature of parliamentary system in India? Separation of power. The 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976 is also known as Mini Constitution. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with allocation of seat in Rajya Sabha? 4th schedule. The President of India can issue an ordinance under which article of the Constitution? Article 1, 2, 3. The concept of fundamental duty was added to Indian Constitution by which Amendment Act? 42nd Amendment. What was the main purpose of Portuguese cartage system introduced in the Indian Ocean during the 16th century? To issue naval trade license to Indian and foreign ships, allowing them to trade under Portuguese control. 47. Match the following wars fought by the British with their corresponding opponent or outcomes. That is first Anglo-Maratha War, Mysore War. Hyder Ali ended without decisive victory. Question number 48. Consider the following statement about India on the eve of British conquest. Political fragmentation and lack of a strong central authority made India vulnerable to foreign power. Match the following reformers with their corresponding social religious reform. Swami Dayananda Saraswati. Vedas as supreme authority and return to Vedic values. Then Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar. Widow remarriage. Syed Ahmad Khan. Promotion of scientific and Western education among Muslims. Narayan Guru. Temple entry. Which of the following statement about the revolt of 1857 is factually correct? Bahadur Shah Zafar was proclaimed as the symbolic leader of revolt by rebels from Meerut. Which of the following development west marked the beginnings of modern nationalism in India? Founding of the Indian National Congress in 1885. Which among the following act designated the Governor General of Bengal as the Governor General of India? Charter Act of 1833. The Government of India Act 1919 divided the function of provincial government into reserved and transferred subject. Which of the given options were treated as transferred subject? Agriculture and education. Which among the following newspaper is not related to Mahatma Gandhi? Commonwealth. The failure of Cripps mission is considered as an immediate catalyst that resulted in the launch of this movement. Quit India movement. The civil disobedience movement was officially started on which day by Mahatma Gandhi? 6 April 1930. Who among the following provided legal defense to the accused arrested in the Chauri Chaura incident in 1922? Madan Mohan Malviya. During the tenure of which Governor General of India did English replace Persian as the official court language? Lord William Bentinck. The first Congress session in rural area was held at this place in 1937. Haripura. Sorry. It is Fazpur. Consider the following statement regarding the cabinet mission. All of the above. In 1883, he was arrested for the contempt of court after publishing a controversial article in the Bengali, becoming the first Indian journalist to be imprisoned. Surendranath Banerjee. Which of the following event happened last? Formation of All India Trade Union Congress. She broke nearly every rule and tradition that confined the life of an upper caste Hindu women in 19th century India. She learned Sanskrit, ancient Hindu literary language. She is Pandita Ramabai. Who referred to Gandhi as half-naked seditious fakir? Winston Churchill. Who among the following started the Bengali weekly named as Sambad Kaumudi? Raja Ram Mohan Roy. During the British rule, Bihar was a significant source of several key exports which included textile, indigo, saltpeter and opium. According to the Pali text, Matanga Jatak Bodhisatta was identified as which of the following? Chandal. Sahaji ki Dheri, Ija Stup. Who among the following scholars referred to Sanchi Stup as a center of tree and serpent worship in his influential work on Indian art and architecture? James Ferguson. The emergence of Janpad and later Mahajanpad in the later Vedic period signified which major socio-political change? A shift from tribal organization to territorial state. During the Gupta age, which of the following significant advancement in metallurgy occurred? Creation of rust resistant iron structure. During his visit to France in February 2025, what did PM Modi give to the French President Emmanuel Macron? Dhokra artwork. Which of the following statement is not supported by evidence about Chola economy or governance? Chola derived revenue only from agriculture. Where did Lakshman Sen flee after the fall of Nadia and Lucknowti, Sonargaon. Qutbuddin Aibak died in 1210 as a result of injury while playing polo, Chaugan. Who was the head of military department, Diwan-i-Arch, under the Delhi Sultanate? Ali-Jai Mamlik. Which of the following countries was not a founding member of Arab League? Iran. What is the per capita income of Bihar at the current price for the year 2023-24 as estimated in the Bihar Economic Survey? 66,828. Which district in Bihar had the highest sex ratio as per 2011 census? Gopalganj. What was the percentage of Bihar population in India's total population according to 2011 census? 0.086. What is the total notified forest area in Bihar as per Indian State of Forest Report 2023? 6,764.14 square kilometer. Which eminent personality from Bihar, popularly known as Bihar Kokila, was posthumously awarded the Padma Vibhushan in 2025 for her contribution to art? Dr. Sarda Sinha. Which GI tagged product from Bihar was prominently promoted at International Buyers Seller Meet 2025 in Patna for enhancing its export potential? Mithila Makhana. Under which scheme did the Bihar government promote Neera extraction in 2025? Mukhyamantri Neera Sambardhan Yojana. A special economic zones are being set up in which of the following places in Bihar? Nawanagar and Kumar Bagh. Which award did Bihar receive at the government Digitech Awards 2025 for digital innovation? Gold Award for Krishi, Bihar Krishi app and smart prepaid metering. In the Bihar budget 2025-26, the highest allocation was made to which of the following sector? Education. According to the Bihar budget 2025-26, greenfield airports are proposed to be developed at which of the following locations? Sultanganj and Raxaul. Which of the following was the first Hindi newspaper published from Bihar, playing a key role in promoting Hindi journalism in the state? Bihar Bandhu. Match the rivers of Bihar. List one with their distinctive features. Kosi, known as Sorrow of Bihar. Bagmati causes flood in Muzaffarpur district. Then Gandak forms the border between Bihar and Nepal, shown major right bank tributary of Ganga. Consider the following statement regarding the Karnad dynasty of Bihar. Karnad dynasty ruled over the part of Bihar and North Bengal after the fall of Pal Empire. Their capital was located at Simrao, present-day Sitamarhi district in Bihar. The Barabar Caves in Jahanabad, located in Jahanabad. Which of the following a statement about the physiography of Bihar? Correct. Chota Nagpur Plateau covers the southern and southwestern part of Bihar. Shivalik hills are found in the southern district of Bihar. Sama Chakeva, a folk festival celebrated in Bihar, is mainly associated with Mithila women. In which financial year did Bihar first introduce its gender budget? 2014 and 15. Considered the following a statement regarding the formation of Bihar as a separate administrative unit. Bihar was a part of Bengal Presidency till early 20th century. Bihar and Odisha were carved out as a separate province from Bengal in 1912. Bihar became a distinct province separate from Odisha in 1936. All are correct. Who became the first governor after the separation of Odisha? That is Sir Thomas Alexander Stewart. Industries and districts. Petroleum refining industry Begusarai, rail coach manufacturing industry Patna, paper industry Darbhanga, cement industry Rohtas. As per the Bihar Panchayati Raj Act, what is the percentage of reservation for women? 50% reservation for women in Panchayati Raj. What is the approximate longitudinal extent of Bihar? 83 to 88 degree east. Tea cultivation in Bihar is primarily confined to which district? Kishanganj. Shor and Diara regions of Bihar. Shor region of Bihar is located in Kaimur Plateau, elevated plateaus formed by recent alluvial deposit. All are correct. In Bihar, mica is predominantly produced in which district? Nevada. Which leader is credited with the initiating abolition of Jamindari system in Bihar after independence? Sri Krishna Singh. According to the Bihar Economic Survey 2024-5, which district in Bihar recorded the highest cropping intensity? Supaul. Consider the following a statement regarding tiger reserve in India. Valmiki Tiger Reserve is the only notified tiger reserve. It is share boundary with Nepal Chitwan National Park. Valmiki Tiger Reserve is part of Terai region. All are correct. Which of the following types of rock is formed by cooling and solidification of magma? Igneous. Cloud formation, condensation. Which of the following landform is created by depositional action of glacier? Moraine. Atmospheric layer closest to Earth's surface is stratosphere. It is troposphere. The term isobar refers to lines on map connecting atmospheric pressure. Which of the following mountain region ranges as part of peninsular plateau in India? Answer is Aravalli. Largest producer of manganese, Madhya Pradesh. Which of the following river flows into the Arabian Sea? ताप्ती. Which of the following crop is primarily grown in the black soil region of India? Cotton. Western Ghat are a major source of which type of forest? Evergreen, tropical evergreen forest. Which of the following continent is the smallest in terms of land area? Australia. Rhine river flows through which of the following European country? Germany. On a world map, which country is located at intersection of equator and prime meridian, known as no landmass exist there? Which of the following grassland is located in South America? Pampas. Which of the following is a renewable natural resource? Solar energy. True about IMPS, NEFT and RTGS. IMPS is the best for instant a small transfer, NEFT is for low to medium and RTGS for high value urgent transfer. Liquidity traps means monetary policy which become ineffective as interest rates are low and people hoard cash instead of investing or spending. External benchmark lending rate introduced by the RBI is linked to which of the following? Repo rate or any external benchmark. What is the correct definition of NPA? A loan or advance where interest or installment remains overdue for a period of more than 90 days. Which of the following best represent goodwill, brand reputation and customer loyalty? GST is levied on the principle of destination based taxation. Highest decision making body of WTO, Ministerial Conference. How many crops are covered under MSP? 22. What is the primary aim of circular economy? Eliminate waste and keep resources in use. Phillips curve depict unemployment and GDP growth. Inflation and unemployment. Which Indian state has recently become the first to fully integrate its procurement system with government e-marketplace? Uttar Pradesh. Recently, opposition moved no confidence against Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar under which constitutional provision? 67B. Which city is set to establish India's first integrated waste management city cum learning center? Gorakhpur by 2025. Anna Chakra initiated by IIT Delhi and World Food Program. Which organization will manage the Cali Fund? UNDP and UNEP. What was the theme of 8th Indian Ocean Conference? Voyages to New Horizon of Maritime Partnership. What is the main purpose of Dinesh Khara Committee? To review and amend the Insurance Act 1938. What is the name of NVIDIA new AI system for genetic research? EVO2. Which two countries were involved in the dispute over Chagos archipelagos? Mauritius and UK. A invested 76,000 in a business after few months. ये तो मैथ का क्वेश्चन है. ठीक.